Hello, we are the Cognitive Catalysts and we are happy to present our final case video. In this final case video, we would like to connect two of the weekly themes, which are creativity and expertise, based on the IDEO shopping cart case. We are Veronique, Nicholas, Amanda, and Sue. Before we talk about the model we built, we will explain the specific case. IDEO is a global design and innovation consulting firm founded in 1991. The company has worked with various clients from different industries to help them innovate and create user-friendly products and services. In the late 1990s, the supermarket Target faced an issue with its outdated and inefficient shopping carts. Thus, they approached IDEO and gave them the task of redesigning their cart. IDEO assembled a team of designers, engineers, and ethnographers to develop new concepts for the shopping cart. The team went through the design thinking process of ideation, prototyping, and testing to develop a more functional, ergonomic, and aesthetically pleasing shopping cart. They tested prototypes and refined them until they arrived at a final product. So finally, these diverse experts in the IDEO team were able to make improved shopping carts that contain innovative features. Based on this case, we built our model, which aims to provide insights on how creativity and expertise influences the creation of better products, and what tools can be used to assist experts in this process of creating an innovative product. Considering our case, we identified our dependent variable as an innovative product. We wanted to visually identify which factors made it possible to create an innovative product. In this presentation, we will answer the following research question. Which tools can assist experts in developing innovative products? Our purpose is to identify the tools that can assist experts in developing innovative products by creating a model. In order to make sense of our model, we will first define each variable and provide a reason for adding each of them.
We will first define each variable and provide a reason for adding each of them. An innovative product is our dependent variable and thus our desired outcome. It is defined as a new solution or a significant improvement to an existing solution which meets customer needs and wants in a unique and differentiated way. We chose this variable because it represents the ultimate goal of the IDEO team and is related to the theme of creativity. Diverse experts or independent variable refers to individuals with varying cultural, racial, gender, and socioeconomic background who possess specialized knowledge and skills in a particular field. We chose this variable because the IDEO team consists of people with expertise in different domains with different educational backgrounds and knowledge. The mediator between diverse experts and innovative product is the design thinking process, a problem-solving approach that involves empathizing with users, defining the problem, ideating, prototyping, and testing. We included this variable as a mediator because it helps to bridge the gap between the diverse experts of the IDEO team and their creation of an innovative product. The first moderator is decentralized hierarchy. It refers to the management structure in which decision-making authority and responsibility are distributed among multiple levels or individuals within an organization. We added this variable because a risk with having a group of experts in different domains working together is that they have a tunnel vision based on their domain-specific knowledge and experience. Decentralized hierarchy enables the IDEO team to be more creative since everyone has the chance to voice their opinion. This last moderator is innovative culture. It is a kind of culture that has creativity, orientation, dynamism, properties, supporting work in the creative field. We included this variable because IDEO uses an innovative culture to provide an environment in which the design thinking process can thrive, encouraging employees to experiment with new ideas.
All in all, our model aims to understand how a diverse team of experts can contribute to the creation of innovative products. Firstly, the dependent variable in this model is innovative products. When you look at the relationship between independent and dependent variable, the model proposes that having a team with diverse experts can positively impact the creation of innovative products. Phillips and al. Suggests that a diversity of experts in a team can lead to better problem-solving and decision-making outcomes, as individuals with different perspectives and skill sets can bring unique and innovative ideas to the table. Secondly, the mediator in this model is the design thinking process. The design thinking process positively mediates the relationship between diverse experts and innovative products, and the diverse experts is positively linked to the design thinking process. According to Matuki and Sang, the findings of this study suggest that cognitive diversity can positively influence the design thinking process by fostering a more inclusive and collaborative team environment that supports knowledge sharing and creativity. Thirdly, the design thinking process is positively linked to innovative products. The relationship can be evaluated using two new academic references relevant to the context of the model. Firstly, a study by Brown found that design thinking processes enable teams to create innovative solutions by facilitating collaboration and creative problem solving. The study also highlighted highlighted the importance of diversity in teams, as it provides a variety of perspectives and skill set that can contribute to the innovation process. This supports the idea that the design thinking process mediates the relationship between diverse experts and innovative products by providing a framework for collaboration and creativity. Although this article is not based on empirical data, Brown is a well-respected expert in the field of design thinking, and his arguments are supported by other academic literature. Therefore, the article provides valuable insights into the potential of design thinking as a tool for innovation. The second reference is a study by Matthews and Wrigley, and they found that organizations that use the design thinking process are more likely to create innovative products that meet the need of customers. This study analyzed a range of design-driven companies and found that organizations that use design thinking are more likely to create innovative products that meet the needs of customers. The study findings suggest that design thinking can help organizations better understand and empathize with their customers, leading to more successful product innovation. This evidence is particularly strong as it is based on empirical data collected from a range of organizations and not just theoretical speculation. This evidence supports the positive direction of the relationship between the design thinking process and innovative products in the model. Overall, both references provide a strong support for the positive relationship between design thinking and innovation in the model. The empirical evidence provided by Matthews and Wrigley adds weight to the argument, while Brown's article provides additional theoretical support and practical insights into the use of design thinking in organizations. Therefore, these references have high agreement and strong evidence. The two references suggest that the positive relationship between design thinking and innovation is a robust and well-supported concept in the academic literature.
Firstly, the centralized hierarchy moderates and here strengthens the relationship between diverse experts and the design thinking process. According to Mockery, having a decentralized hierarchy can lead to better performance outcomes, as they can promote more open communication and idea sharing among team members.
Lastly, the second moderator in the model, innovative culture, plays a crucial role in strengthening the relationship between the design thinking process and innovative products. An innovative culture provides an enabling environment for the design thinking process to thrive by promoting risk-taking and experimentation, which ultimately facilitates the creation of innovative products. According to academic literature, an innovative culture is a key driver of firm innovation and success, as it fosters a mindset and set of behaviors that support creative problem-solving and experimentation. This highlights the importance of creating an innovative culture within an organization to leverage the benefits of the design thinking process in generating innovative products. Overall, our model suggests that creativity and expertise are interdependent and can be leveraged through a combination of diverse experts, the design thinking process, decentralized hierarchy, and innovative culture. By focusing on the tools and environments that enable experts to create innovative products, we hope to contribute to the understanding of how organizations can foster creativity and innovation in a sustainable and meaningful way.
We will now look at the context of our model. For the stakes, level, and validity of our model, we first consider the model to be low stakes, as the failure of the dependent variable does not come with harsh consequences. For the level, we believe the model is on a team level, since it is based on IDEO working team. Expertise is always developed at the individual level, but this different expertise gathers and creates a team with diverse experts. Therefore, it is a team level. Lastly, the validity of the model is high. The outcome of the process is predictable when we follow the flow of variables used in the model. Now we will look at the applicability and the generalizability of our model. Our model is applicable in the context where organizations seek to innovate and create new products or services. However, its effectiveness may be limited in contexts where innovation is not a primary focus, or where there is little emphasis on collaboration and diverse perspectives. The organizational culture, leadership style, team expertise, and the specific design thinking process used may also affect the model's effectiveness. Therefore, it is important to consider the unique characteristics of each context when applying the model. Furthermore, we will provide a new context where a model can be applied as an example. Our model can be applied in the hardware industry. In a study by Sosa, Eppinger, and Rawls, the authors examined the relationship between the team diversity and innovation in the development of new products in the computerware industry. The study shows that diverse teams, when coupled with a structured design thinking process, can lead to improved innovation in the technology industry. However, also in the hardware industry, implementing the model may face challenges due to hierarchical leadership styles and culture of conformity, which hinders collaboration and diverse thinking. Therefore, it is important to also create an environment where creativity can be drawn. A possible alternative variable for the model is deliberate practice. We chose to exclude this variable from the model since deliberate practice does not seem to be significant in our case with the IDEO team. Deliberate practice is typically associated with an individual's efforts to improve their skills and expertise through focused and intentional practice, as covered by Erickson et al. 1993. While it is true that experts may engage in deliberate practice to enhance their abilities, this variable does not seem to be directly related to the impact of a diverse team and innovation. Moreover, the design thinking process incorporates similar elements to deliberate practice, since it encourages team members to engage in iterative and deliberate problem solving, which is the mediating variable in the proposed model. Therefore, it is not necessary to include deliberate practice in our model. Another alternative variable that could be adapted to our model is empowering leadership, which is characterized by leading by example but also implementing an inclusive way of decision making. Further, an empowering leader, which the leader of the IDEO team can be described as, should coach and inform the team appropriately as well as making each individual feel seen, such as covered by the academic article Chiong et al. 2019. We made the decision to exclude this variable since it is in a way incorporated in the model already. A decentralized hierarchy requires the leadership style to be somewhat empowering, and also the innovative culture requires an open culture. Now let's look at the implications and future research. There are 2 stable variables and 3 malleable variables in our model. In our model, 2 moderators are the stable variables. Decentralized hierarchy is a stable variable since it has been established as such for the IDEO's team design thinking process. It is hard to change because introducing a new hierarchy takes a lot of time and confrontation between team members. Innovative culture is also a stable variable. It is stable because this kind of innovative vision or values of the organization are deeply implemented for a long time. And we also have malleable variables, which are diverse experts, design thinking process, and the innovative product. The variables of diverse experts is malleable because we have the ability to choose which experts will be included in the team, as well as how we assemble the team. And the design thinking process is malleable because it is a flexible and iterative approach to problem solving that can be adapted to fit different situations and challenges. It is not a rigid set of steps that must be followed in a specific order, but rather a framework that can be tailored to the specific needs of a particular project or problem. Lastly, the innovative product is also a malleable variable. An innovative product is malleable because it can be continuously refined and improved based on feedback and new ideas. In other words, it is not fixed or static entity that can be changed and adapted to better meet the needs of the market and the users. We will now look at actionable implications for our malleable variables. For instance, when it comes to diverse experts, companies can take a proactive approach in seeking out a range of perspectives and experiences when assembling teams. Research has demonstrated that diverse teams are more productive, innovative, and effective at problem solving than homogeneous teams. To effectively implement this suggestion, companies can establish diversity and inclusion policies, including diversity goals and metrics, and ensure that diverse candidates are included in the recruitment process. This approach will increase the likelihood of finding and including diverse experts in teams, leading to increased innovation, productivity, and effectiveness. Looking at the design thinking process. Regarding the design thinking process, organizations that invest in this methodology and create cross-functional teams are more likely to achieve better outcomes and create more innovative solutions. As an actionable implication, companies can provide training and resources on the design thinking process, such as workshops, online resources, and access to tools and templates to support the process. Additionally, creating cross-functional teams that encourage collaboration among employees with diverse skills and perspectives will foster creativity and innovation and enable teams to approach problems from different angles. Looking at our research, there are some open questions that are left unanswered. How does the implementation of diversity and inclusion policies impact the relationship between diverse experts, the design thinking process, and innovative product development within a technology hardware company? The other question would be, what are the key factors that contribute to successful cross-functional collaboration within diverse teams utilizing the design thinking process, and how do these factors impact the effectiveness of innovative product development? How do the perspectives and individuals from underrepresented groups influence the design thinking process, and what steps can organizations take to better incorporate these perspectives into the development of innovative products? And lastly, we can also ask, to what extent does the level of individual creativity and problem-solving abilities within a team influence the success of utilizing the design thinking process to develop innovative products? The Cognitive Catalyst thanks you for your attention. See you next time.